Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we will see that how can you send a Google Meet invite link through Google Chat. So basically you can create a chat in Google known as Google Chat, and in that you can directly send a meeting link to some person. When you are sending that meeting link, either you can just create a meeting, send its link, or you can directly create the meeting then and there in Google Chat itself. It will create a new meeting for you, it will send them that link, and for others in the chat also you can just copy and paste that link. Okay, so how do we do that? The process is pretty simple. Open up your Google Chat, especially with the person with whom you want to create a meeting with. Then go on to this icon that says add video meeting. So once you click on that, a video meeting would be created for you, and if you want you can just add some messages to them like please join at let's say I want them to join at 5 p.m. so please join at 5 p.m. I press enter, so automatically a meeting is created. That meeting is sent. They can join to that to this particular meeting using the link. I don't have to create a meeting, then copy its link and then send to them. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.